In order to keep working on any of your Supervisor version 8 projects in Supervisor version 9, you'll first need to upgrade them. Upgrading them creates a copy of the initial version 8 project, so you can still work on the old version of Supervisor if that's what you'd prefer as well. So to do this, initially open Supervisor version 9, then select the arrow under the Open menu and select Upgrade V8 Project. From here, select your version 8 project that you want to upgrade and click Open. And then it's going to ask you to save your new version 9 project. So I'll just save this here, and then we get this pop-up. So this is essentially saying that in order to use this project, you'll need to update all of your components that required calculations. The calculations will all be the same, but you'll need to reprocess them. So you can click OK to do these immediately, or cancel and do them individually at a later time. So if I select OK, then we can just let that process and all of my components will update and be usable in the new project.